or welcome to Rediscovery, where the wonders of space and science ignite. Mars Sol 4329, a day that would go down in history. Another day on the red planet, you might think, just another routine exploration, just rust-colored dust and endless sky. But you'd be wrong. Today was different. This wasn't just another day. It was a day that would reveal secrets long buried beneath the Martian soil. This was a day of revelations, a day that would challenge our understanding of Mars. Our robotic explorers, tirelessly combing the Martian surface, stumbled upon something extraordinary. Something that would make headlines across the globe. Something that made scientists on Earth sit up and take notice. A discovery that would ignite imaginations and spark debates. Something that whispered tales of a past we never knew and hinted at a future we could only dream of. A past where Mars was not the barren wasteland we see today. The data beamed back from the desolate plains of Gale Crater painted a picture that was both familiar and alien. Familiar because it spoke of landscapes shaped by water. Familiar because it spoke of rivers and lakes, of a time when water, the elixir of life, flowed freely on Mars. A time when Mars could have supported life. Alien because those same data points whispered of a climate shift so dramatic that it transformed a once habitable world into the arid desert we see today. A transformation that left Mars dry and desolate. But the most startling discovery was yet to come, a discovery that would raise more questions than answers. An anomaly in the images, a shape that defied easy explanation, set the scientific community abuzz. What could it be? Was it just a trick of light and shadow, an optical illusion created by the harsh Martian environment? Or could it be something more, something that hinted at the presence of life itself, a sign that Mars was once teeming with life? Join us as we delve into the mysteries unearthed on Mars Sol 4329, a day that has forever changed our understanding of the red planet, a day that will be remembered for generations to come. Gale Crater, a sprawling impact basin scarred by time and cosmic collisions, holds the key to understanding Mars's watery past. This ancient crater, with its towering central peak and layered sedimentary deposits, is a geological treasure trove that has fascinated scientists for decades. On Sol 4329, our rover unearthed more than just rocks and dust. It unearthed a history written in sediment and stone. Each layer of sediment tells a story of a different era, a different climate, and a different environment on ancient Mars. The rover, equipped with a suite of sophisticated instruments, analyzed the composition of the Martian soil, revealing the presence of minerals that form only in the presence of liquid water. These instruments, designed to detect even the faintest chemical signatures, provided irrefutable evidence of Mars' wet past. These minerals, like fingerprints at a crime scene, pointed towards a time when rivers flowed and lakes shimmered beneath a Martian sun. The discovery of clay minerals in particular suggested that water was not just present but stable for long periods, but the evidence went beyond mere minerals. The geological formations themselves, with their intricate layering and composition, told a story of dynamic processes that shaped the Martian surface. The rover also discovered mudstone, a type of rock formed from compacted mud, further solidifying the case for a once wet Mars. This mudstone, rich in fine-grained sediments, indicated that standing bodies of water like lakes once existed in Gale Crater. Imagine for a moment the Martian landscape billions of years ago. Vast rivers carving channels through the terrain, carrying sediment and depositing it in layers that hardened over eons into the very rocks we see today. Rivers carving channels through the terrain, carrying sediment and depositing it in layers that hardened over eons into the very rocks we see today. These ancient waterways were not just fleeting streams, but robust systems that could have supported life. These findings weren't just about piecing together the Martian past, they were about understanding the potential for life beyond Earth. The implications of these discoveries extend far beyond our solar system, offering clues about where else we might find life in the universe. For where there was water, there could have been life. And the mudstones of Gale Crater held the tantalizing possibility of preserving traces of that ancient life. These rocks, with their preserved layers, are like pages in a history book waiting to be read and understood. The Martian atmosphere, thin and wispy compared to Earth's, is a force to be reckoned with. It's a realm of dust devils and swirling winds where the elements sculpt the landscape with an artist's touch. On Sol 4329, our rover braved this unforgiving environment, its sensors recording a symphony of atmospheric data. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars. The air is thin, the gravity less forgiving. The wind whips around you, carrying fine red dust that seems to permeate everything. The rover, however, is unfazed. Its instruments, designed to withstand the harshest conditions, captured minute fluctuations in wind speed and direction, providing invaluable insights into the dynamics of the Martian atmosphere. These data points, seemingly insignificant on their own, were like puzzle pieces that, when assembled, revealed a bigger picture. They helped scientists understand how the Martian atmosphere transports dust, influences temperature, and interacts with the planet's surface in complex ways. This, in turn, was crucial information for planning future missions, ensuring the safety of both robotic explorers and, one day, human explorers. Amongst the trove of data beamed back from Mars Sol 4329, one image stood out. It wasn't a breathtaking vista or a detailed rock formation. It was something far more subtle, far more intriguing, a shape captured by the rover's cameras that defied easy explanation. It was an enigma wrapped in rust-colored dust, a question mark etched onto the Martian surface. Was it a naturally occurring geological formation, perhaps the result of eons of wind erosion carving the rock into strange and wonderful shapes, or could it be something more, something that challenges our understanding of Mars? The speculation began almost immediately. Scientists and enthusiasts alike were captivated. Could it be evidence of past life, a fossilized remnant of a long-extinct Martian organism? The possibility was tantalizing. The scientific community was abuzz. Discussions and debates filled the halls of research institutions. Theories were debated, hypotheses proposed and challenged. Each new piece of data added fuel to the fire of curiosity. Some argued for a geological explanation, pointing to similar formations found on Earth. They believed it was a natural phenomenon. Others, however, dared to dream, to entertain the possibility that this was a sign, a beacon from a long-gone Martian civilization. Could it be a relic of an ancient world? The truth, as is often the case, remained elusive, hidden beneath layers of speculation and scientific rigor. Each theory had its merits and its flaws, but one thing was certain. The mysterious formation found on Mars Sol 4329 had ignited our imaginations, reminding us that the universe is full of wonders yet to be uncovered. It was a call to continue exploring, to keep searching for answers in the vast expanse of space. Thanks for watching Rediscovery, where every journey uncovers breathtaking wonders. Craving more thrills? Smash that like button, drop a comment and hit subscribe. Let's continue exploring the unknown together.